It's a beautiful day, so I noticed through my window a golden array, silver sheets and silver pillows. I just can't behave, so pick me up and drop me down, make my feelings come around. But you give me something to hold on tight to, so would you please excuse me from the rest of the world? Oh, I'm gonna spread my wings and fly away for a while. No, take a holiday.